Hey everyone, it's Paul here. So as you can see, the text just looks terrible. Same with the icons text, same with anywhere. Wherever you type or see text, like let's say you're in browser, the text will also just be bad. So the fix for this is you want to go into your search bar and type appearance, and it will open up this window. If you can't do this, what you want to do is press Windows key plus R, and it will open up this run command thingy, and then you want to type this sysdm.cpl. Once you have typed this, you want to open this and then go into advanced settings, and you'll get the same tab as before. Now what you want to do here is tick this smooth edges of screen fonts. Once you have ticked this, click on apply, then OK, and then just close this. Now as you can see, the text is way better than before. In icons and just anything, the text is definitely smoother. Now because this is a recording, the text still looks kind of bad, but in Windows it looks really sharp and crisp.